Greetings there. So in this video I'll be showing you XX input, which will do something like, which will create input bar and take inputs. I'll just show it, it is easier that way. So for this to work, you need to initialize GVim manager, which is for font. So let's create input XX, creating input XX input 1 is equals to XX create input, and it takes two arguments. Those are the size of the string and then the manager, GVim manager. So the size of the string, I think I will keep it at 100. Then font, this font is from this right here, GVim manager. And I will also free input XX free input. Now for input to work, you need to do something like stl start text input, stl stop text input, and I will just render input XX render input, which will take renderer input, and then font and coordinates like 10, 30. I'll just see to it right now. XX free input, and I forgot one right here, 11J 1, and here we have it. For that to work, we need to include something like XX input, XX listen input, and it takes XX listen input, and it takes STL renderer input, GVim manager, and STL event. So window renderer, second is input, third is font, and then STL event. Let's see. So it is reacting to my hover. You can see it is changing a bit of color, and when I press it, there is a cursor, and I can write hello world, this is my text. Oh no, this is my text. And when you press somewhere else, the cursor is gone, meaning the focus is out, and I can type anything and it won't be written. Also if I want to get the value from the input, XX listen input, I can use something like user input, and it will have all the values inside the input bar. I'll just show you about this one as well. If e.type is stl key down, and e.key system is equals to stlk return, which is just enter key. What I will do is print input bar message percentage and input 1 user input. So here I'll just type you are looking beautiful today, enter. You are looking beautiful today, and I can just you are looking okay-ish, you're looking okay-ish. So there are other features as well, like how do I put it, like after creating input, you can do something like changing the input bar to just a line, and I think that is xx set input padding border type. Yes, it's border type input 1, and I think it's just line. Voila, and there's no box, there is just line. Hello world, beautiful. I can't even write beautiful, man. Also if you want anything like changing the type of the text, man, I'm making so much mistakes right now. xx set input what is it called, cursor size, cursor color, type width, type input 1, and I input like password. Now what will happen is like it is a password, and enter. Even though it is password, the even though it is password, users use user input to get this how do you say, the value from inside the input bar. And to change colors, there are functions like xx set input, man, gg, down. So there are functions like type, I just showed you this one, type, that is password or text. Width, you can change the width, and then padding, and border type, which is line, or like line or just box. And these two for another video. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed it.